Hi guys, Aaron from BizXL Everyday. I'm going to do another video real quick. This question is from Monkey J2K 40 minutes ago. What he wants to do is basically sort, I think what he wants to do is basically sort his table using some of the values or some of the columns that's in there. I'm just going to read it out here. Hello, I have a table with 20 columns. I have one column that there with serial numbers and another with rates for those serial numbers. How can I get the dynamic array function to find unique values sorted by the rates column? I've never really used this dynamic arrays, but I think it's possible. Thanks. Okay, so let's just, I think what he's trying to say here is that he wants to sort them by serial number and with those rates next to them. Okay, so let's jump into the Excel spreadsheet. I've created myself a sample data. This is basically the pricing right here and a serial number. I just created ABC, DEF, GHI. I just created 3 different categories. And so what I think what the user is asking here is to basically organize them by the pricing and the category, or category and the pricing. You can go whatever way, and he's going to have many different columns that he can sort them by. So first thing we need to do is select the table, and then we're going to go ahead and go to data, and we can go to the sort function right here. And then under sort, currently it's sorted by the product number. You can see from 1 to 28. I guess this would be the product name, but which he doesn't really care about. What he wants to see is he wants them sorted by different categories and the pricing underneath it. And so I'm going to go ahead and change this to category. And then I want them to be sorted from A to Z. We can go to Z to A. That would give you the GHIs first, and DEFs the second, and then ABCs the third. If you go A to Z, it'll be ABC, DEF, and then GHI. Then we're going to add another level, and then we're going to say first sort by category 1, and then sort by the price. And I want them to be shown as the lowest to the highest. You can go highest to lowest, doesn't matter. There's some options. You can even create a custom list as well. Okay, for the purpose of demonstration, we're going to keep it simple. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's have a look. So we asked it to categorize by ABCs first. I'm just going to move it over here so it's a little bit easier to understand what has happened. So in the ABC category, the pricing has been sorted based on the from lowest to highest, and then it goes back to DEF category, and the pricing has been sorted from 100 to 400, and then GHI category, it's gone from 100 to 400. And that's how you can basically create some sort of array function. I think that's what he was really trying to get to when he said dynamic array. I think this is an easy way to get to what he's trying to get to without having to get really complicated. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks.